Welcome to our channel. TD Bank Bill Pay allows you to pay bills electronically from your TD Bank account, saving time and ensuring timely payments. Step 1. Log into your TD Bank online banking account at tdbank.com using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to the Bill Pay section from the main menu or account dashboard. Step 3. If this is your first time using Bill Pay, you'll need to enroll in the service by accepting the terms and conditions. Step 4. Click Add Payee or add a new bill to set up your first payment recipient. Step 5. Enter the payee's name, account number with them and their payment address, or search for them if they're a major company. Step 6. Verify the payee information is correct and save it to your list of payees. Step 7. Select the payee you want to pay from your saved list. Step 8. Choose the TD bank account from which you want to send the payment. Step 9. Enter the payment amount and select the payment date, keeping in mind processing times. Step 10. Review the payment details and submit the payment. Step 11. Set up recurring payments for bills that are the same amount each month by selecting the Make Recurring option. Step 12. Monitor your payments through the Bill Pay dashboard and check off delivered confirmations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.